Ooh, what's going on, fam? Guess what? Hindi na matapos yung misis ko, man. Yet another day, another work. It looks like we're gonna improvise our front door. I'm gonna miss this door, yo. But it's not in my control no more. Looks like it's going to be a paint day again, guys. Whoa! Whoa! Ganda naman ng painter ko. Hello, my name Berto. My name Berto.
I heard your name was Esteban.
My name Berto, the kilang slayer ng Bicol. Ano trip na naman to? It looks like we're gonna change the color. Made a second trip because she doesn't know what primer is. There's a color in there. You got to put it into a neutral color. That way you can put another color on top of it. Because if, for example, you buy orange, it's not gonna be orange, yo. I'm colorblind. But I know for a fact, if you mix this with another color, What can you say about that, man? I know you got expertise in the medical field, but what can you say about that?
Is my son awake?
I don't know.
I don't know. I think I could just wing it without the primer.
Ooh.
But I want to do it one. I want to do it right. I want to do it once. So let's just go ahead with the primer.
The confidence, I can wing it without a primer. Yo, somebody help me! So primer is done. Things stinky. Make my head hurts, but yeah. Let me show you real quick, man. Here we go. Primer's done. Waiting for at least an hour. After that, we're good to go. We're gonna go with the paint, and we should be able to wrap this thing up today, man. Hopefully, cause there'll be a lot of podcast gig we're gonna be doing. You know. You gotta check out my stuff on Spotify. I'll post a link. Check out my stuff, man. Check out your boy. Yo, we're gonna put the orange now, and galing ng painter ko, ah. Huh? Step in na yung painter ko, oh.
Nagaluto pa ako. Nag-paint pa. Mag-bundle na tayo.
Old cars? Uy. We have all our own cars. Ganun ang banda sa ano? Marinduque mo?
Hindi pa ako nagkaka-bundle ever.
First time mabanda ng misis ko. Uy.
This is what I wish everybody, okay? Love and light.
Okay. Pintura mo na kami, ha?
I think our door is done. She did a good job. And basically, after 10 years or 8 years, has to be updated. So, happy wife, happy life. Still take. I'm gonna run a second coat, but generally the goal is make it look like the original one, put the primer so that you can put the new color of the paint. That's it. We're gonna wrap it up for today, guys. By the way, we got a new text. It's amazing. Been longing to get this tech because of I do have podcasts. Check us out on Spotify. Good quality audio. That's the main goal. and we're gonna have to review it. Don't forget to check that out. Peace out.